Did you know that you can start making money on YouTube even if you have less than 1,000 subscribers? Yep, you don't need to wait till you get monetized with ads to start earning. In fact, small channels are already making money with just a few hundred loyal subscribers, and today I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that too. So whether you're just starting out or you've been here posting for a while without seeing any income from YouTube, in this video today I'm going to open your eyes to real working strategies that can help you to make income while posting videos here on YouTube. Okay, stick with me till the end of this video because I'll also share my personal bonus tips that helped me earn even as a small creator that is yet to be monetized here on YouTube. I have started cashing out. Okay, the number one thing that has helped me to be able to monetize my presence here on YouTube is affiliate marketing. This is hands down one of the fastest way to earn from your YouTube videos, no matter your subscribers count. Okay, here is how it works. What you have to do to use this method is to sign up for an affiliate program. Okay, you can browse and check out like Amazon Associates, we have Jumia affiliates, ClickBanks, and even TubeBuddy. Okay, they give you custom links to their products or their services, then you mention or review that product in your videos, and anytime someone clicks and buys, you earn a commission. That sounds simple. You can even do this with just product recommendations, tutorials, or even unboxing videos. Like, we all buy things every day, so you can do an unboxing video of those products you buy. You can actually start small and stay honest and let your audience know what tools or products you genuinely love, and the more you create content around this area, the more people trust you and they are likely to get buy things around your affiliate using your affiliate links, because they know that you will give them a proper review. The number two thing where you can actually earn money below 1k subscribers, even if you're not monetized here on YouTube, is to sell your own products or services. Okay, do you have a digital product like an ebook, a Canva template, or a training course? If you are a teacher, you're a coach, or maybe you offer a service like social media management, editing, or coaching. Okay, YouTube is a perfect platform to build trust and attract customers. Even with just 300 subscribers, if your content connects with the right audience, they will buy from you, they'll patronize you, and you will make cool cash. Talk about your product naturally in your videos. Okay, don't over edit your videos and put things that will confuse your customers. Include a link in your description or pin a comment. Okay, pin in the comments. Okay, money will follow value. That's just the truth. You always always give your viewers something helpful before you pitch anything. Make sure you're offering real value. I always talk about this in all my videos. Before we move on, if you're finding these tips helpful so far, please go ahead and subscribe to this channel, The Creative Susan. This is where we talk about YouTube growth, online income tips, and give you real strategies that works even if you're just starting out. Okay, join our families of creators and let's grow together. All right, back to it. Okay, let's move over to the next tip that we are going to that is going to help you to make money on YouTube even if you're not monetized, even if you have not started earning from ads. The third one is sponsorship and brand deals. Okay, micro sponsorship. Wait, do sponsors even work with small channels? I get a lot of these questions sometimes. Okay, yes, they actually work, especially when you have a specific niche. Brands loves micro influencers with engaged audience. Okay, if you have at least, let me say, 500 subscribers, if you're getting views and building trust, a brand might pay you for your shout out or a feature. Okay, here's what to do. Make a professional media kit, just one page. Okay, Reach out to small businesses or local brands in your niche. Show them what value you can offer them. Okay, sometimes it's not just about size that matters here on YouTube. It's about connection with your audience. This is very important. Okay, make sure you connect your audience in the right. Fourth way you can actually earn here on YouTube is YouTube Shorts bonus. Okay, YouTube sometimes reward creators who post engaging shorts even without monetization. Like if you're a creator and you're actually doing well, your people your shorts are getting views, YouTube sometimes rewards creators like that. Okay, also if you check if you're eligible for the YouTube creators reward short bonuses or branch challenge campaigns. These programs pops up from time to time in your YouTube studio and can be a great way to earn as a small creator. So don't ignore shorts. They grow your visibility fast and might even bring a surprise reward to you. Now you know that you don't need 1K subs or to get monetized before you start any money on YouTube. Okay, actually today before I made this video, someone reached out to me and said, hey, can you create an international TikTok account for me, a UK TikTok account precisely? And I remember I've made a video about that where I explained it step by step on how to do that. So probably the person does not have the time, or he doesn't want to do it, like he wants me to do it personally for him. And I actually charged money for that. I just, since I'm a small creator, I'm just starting out, I said, okay, let me do it for 5,000 naira, and I'm gonna put the payment proof right there. Okay, he paid 5,000 naira into my account for creating a UK TikTok account for him. And right now, even if I'm not monetized, I have received YouTube money. I can say that with my full chest. Okay, so there are so many kind of ways that you can start any money from YouTube, just as I've discussed in this video. Use affiliate links, sell your own products or services, tell people what you can do for them, make videos and sell yourself. Like, let them know what you can do. Reach out to brand deals and don't sleep on YouTube Shorts. YouTube actually rewards, even if you're not monetized, they can actually reward you if your short is actually doing pretty fine. Okay, so let me know in the comments which of these strategies are you going to try first. And if you got value from this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the Creative Susan, and share this video with another small YouTuber who needs to hear this. Like I always say, don't be stingy. Share your ideas, share your inspirations, share good things to others. Remember, it's not about how many viewers you have, it's about how much impact you have with what you have. Impact, let your videos be impactful. So thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.